Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to host your own website using Google Cloud GCP platform. So this is a step-by-step guide. Even if you are a beginner, I will show you in the simple steps so that you don't make any mistakes. Watch the videos to the very end so that you don't make any mistakes. So let's jump right in. Google Cloud is a powerful cloud computing platform by Google that lets you host websites, apps, databases, and more. With full access to Google's AI and cloud tools. So, and the best part is when you sign up, you get $300 in free credits to explore and test their services, perfect for beginners. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and search for cloud.google.com and it will redirect you to their official website. So now you will need to log in with your Google account here. So tap on to get started for free and then log in using your Gmail account. Then tap on to agree and continue. Accept the terms of service and then tap on to start free. You have to add a debit or credit card and then tap save card here, like cardholder name. And then you have to tap on to save card. Okay, so after entering all the informations, provide basic identity details and add a payment method here. Don't worry, you won't be charged unless you go beyond the free tier. So once you are signed in to Google Cloud, you will be taken to the Google Cloud console like this. Google Cloud console, as you can see it, and this is your main dashboard. Like if you go to the Google Cloud console, that will be your main dashboard. So to host a website, we will use a virtual machine VM. So here's how. So after logging into the official dashboard of Google Cloud, in the left hand menu, like on the left side, click on compute engine. You will see an option called compute engine, then go to VM instances. So after going there, you have to click on create instance, this one here. So you have to tap on to create instance. Now give your instance name, like my website server. Then you have to choose your region, for example Toronto, Newark, or any region close to your targeted audience. Then select a machine type. You can start with the smallest option like E2 micro to start with the free tier. Then so you will see an option called scroll down to the boot disk section and select an OS. You have to choose Debian or UVU and TU, like this Ubuntu. Let me type that UB U and TU, this one you can see here, if you are familiar with Linux. Okay, so leave the rest of the settings as default and then you have to click on the option called create. After a few minutes or two, your VM will be up and running. So now that your instance is created, it's time to connect to it. On the VM dashboard, you will see a button that says SSH. So you have to click that. A new browser window will open. Connect it to your server's command line. Then you will have to find an option called authorize. So if you find the option authorize, this one, authorize, this option, you have to find this option authorize. Then you have to connect it if prompted. So you are now connected to your cloud server using SSH. It is like opening the control panel of your website browser. So now the next step is you have to set up your web server like inside the SSH terminal. You will need to install a web server. If you are using a Ubuntu or Debian, type this command to install Apache. So the command will be in the description, and for you guys I'm gonna type it here like this, sudo apt. Then you have to tap update, then tap onto nn like this, then sudo apt install apache to then space then this icon and y. So you have to copy and paste this command. So once installed, you can check if it is working by opening your browser and visiting your external IP address. It will be visible in your VM dashboard, don't worry. So you should see the Apache welcome page. That means your website is now live. To upload your own website, use an SFTP client like FileZilla. This one, it is similar like Godzilla. Okay, just kidding. Search for FileZilla. Wait, FileZilla, the sister of Godzilla. Okay, and or you can also search for cyber. Wait, CyberDuck. Okay, so tap onto this and connect it to your VM using your SSH keys. Navigate to the like /var/www or /html directory. Replace the default to index.html file with your own. You can now refresh your site and your custom website will appear. So that's it. If your website is now live on Google Cloud, from here you can add your custom domain, set up SSL certificates, use Google Cloud's load balancers and scaling tools. Google Cloud offers so much flexibility, and this is just the beginning. So if this video helped you, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Have questions or want a specific follow-up tutorial, then drop it in the comments, and make sure to check out the link in the description and on the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.